Hello students of standard 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your e-class. Let's begin an online session of English. DA Mall Public School welcomes you all in e-class. Myself Renuka Seshewar, your English teacher. Have you seen this picture? So guess it now. What is our today's topic? Yes. So our today's topic is what's really important. This is the name of the chapter. This chapter is taken from your English reader from unit number 1, sports. What is the name of this lesson? What's really important. Okay. So this is the lesson about 9 disabled and handicapped children. Okay. We have learned some values and morals from this lesson. Everybody listen carefully and understand it. Okay. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions to you. Did you help anyone? Yes, somewhere, sometime. Recollect your all memories. Did you help anyone? When somebody fall down, when somebody need help. Yes, very good. So this is chapter based on 9 disabled handicapped children, and try to understand this topic. What's really important? It means what is important in our life. Okay, let's see what is important in this lesson. Let's start the lesson now. Yes, a few years ago at the Special Olympics, this is the story of a few years ago. A few years ago at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line for the 100-meter race. Assembled means to get together. Okay, they are assembled at the starting line for the 100-meter race. At the whistle, they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. Yes, see in this picture. Okay, so this is a story about these 9 children. Those are handicapped, those are disabled. So a few years ago at this Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line for the 100-meter race. At the whistle, they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. There was, however, one boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. So, what happened? There was, however, as soon as the race started and everybody started to run the race and win the Olympic prize, there was one boy who fell down. One boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. Now, the other 8 children, the boys cry. The other 8 children heard the boys cry. They slowed down and paused. Paused means stop. They stopped. When the other 8 children heard the boys cry, they slowed down and paused. They all stopped. Then they all turned around. They all come back. They all turned around and went back. And one girl bent down and kissed him. See in this picture? Yes. One girl bent down and kissed him. She said, "This will make you better. This will make you better." Then all the 9 linked arms and walked together to the finish line. And then all the 9 linked arms and walked together to the finish line. Everyone in the stadium stood up and the cheering went for 10 minutes. Yes. So, my dear students, this is your lesson. What's really important? So, what do you understand from this lesson? What is important? Winning the Olympic prize, is it important? Or to help the needy person? Though all nine children are disabled. Okay? All nine children are disabled and handicapped. Even when one of them fell down, they didn't move ahead. They went back. They went back and they helped that boy who fell down. Okay, they didn't think that race is more important for us. No, they didn't take importance to the race. They went back and helped that boy who fell down. So, my dear, what do you understand from this lesson? Unity is a strength, and these nine disabled children has shows their unity, their honesty, their goodness. So we should help each and every person when they need help of someone. We should help them. Winning and losing, it doesn't important. Our true victory is our humanity, right? And when we are all together, it becomes strength. So unity is a strength, and we should always help the needy person. So I hope you all are enjoyed this story and understand, and I hope you all are understood and implement such type of moral values in your life. Very good. So let's see what is the next. Now this is your assignment. Now tell me, what do you understand by unity is strength? Write few lines about it in your own words in notebook. So collect your all memories and your experiences, and on basis of this lesson write down your answer. Unity is strength. What do you understand by unity is strength? Okay, I hope everybody understood. We will see you in our next class. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.